Hey all, Ankit Kishore this side from Stierfleet team and I welcome you back to my channel. So this is a position I'm running with right now, and just before that I was holding this particular straddle, and I didn't get any decay that I was expecting here. Okay, I entered it at 943 when I thought okay, market is having some support here. So see 943 somewhere here. Okay, I entered somewhere here at the lowest point because I thought market is having some support here और इसे ये लो को ये क्रॉस नहीं करेगा, तो मैंने इसलिए इस पोजीशन को लिया एंड आई थॉट it will give a decent decay because that time after a small decay it spiked again back to the original premium it opened today. Okay, so it opened more or less with 75-76 points, and if you'll see I got it at 75-76 only, but I didn't get any decay. The premium movement today is very erratic. It is going up and down, it is gaining and losing with every movement. Okay, and that is what I didn't like at all, and that is why मैंने यहाँ पे से exit किया, but still I hold it for 34 minutes. If you see 70 minutes here and 70 minutes here, 34 minutes, but I didn't get any decay. I exited also at 75.8, so was not making sense to me, to be very honest. So that is why I've just raised it off myself. Now I'm holding this particular position. So if you'll ask about what is the plan of action from here, see, very simple one. अभी मैं इससे 1200 क्वांटिटी निकाल के 250 पे डालूंगा. ओके, और इसका एसएल जो होगा वो 12 पे होगा. ये जैसे 12 को क्रॉस करता है तो फिर मैं इसे ही पूरा का पूरा एग्जिट कर 450 पे स्विच कर जाऊंगा, और तब तक मेरा कोई भी मैं एडजस्टमेंट नहीं करने वाला, ना ही मैं कोई एडजस्टमेंट एग्रेसिवली यहाँ से प्लान करने वाला हूँ. ओके, आई जस्ट वेट फॉर अ वाइल, और फ्रॉम हियर ऑन अब ये जब तक 18352 को क्रॉस नहीं करेगा तब तक मैं इसे स्विच नहीं करूंगा 250 से. ओके, और मैं अभी बस इसी क्वांटिटी के साथ एंटर कर रखूंगा, और यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी भी इंक्रीज नहीं करूंगा मैं. एंड प्रीमियम इज नॉट दैट गुड, टू वेरी ऑनेस्ट. ओके, मार्केट इज स्टिल एट 1040, एंड अब जाकर के स्ट्रैडल पे प्रीमियम डीके हुआ है थोड़ा बहुत, बट स्टिल द मूवमेंट इज not letting us to get any decay. Okay, on the straddle, in my small account I initially entered at 18350 straddle, and then I exited with 5k loss. Then again I entered on 18300 straddle, and that is giving me 5k plus profit, to almost break even. I'm running there, so I'll just hold for a while and then only I will see. So yeah, I will give you update on this later on. Okay guys, quick update. Time is 12:56, and as of now running with this particular position of 18200p and 18400c, and currently having 4 points of decay. So today it was very tough to get decay. It's not like I was not getting decay. 3-4 points का बार decay मिल रहा है, then coming back to break even, and this is what it kept on happening. So मैंने बिल्कुल रिजर्व कर लिया अपने आप को, और अभी फिलहाल इस पोजीशन के साथ हूँ मैं, and will try from here to collect this much at least. Okay, and from here what is the plan of action now? This high, if market breach it again, in that case I will be switching this 18200p to 18250. Okay, and from there again from there also the plan is to get raised on. Okay, not raised off. So अगर breach होता है, so मैं यहाँ पे put को add करूँगा और switch करूँगा on the upside, and अगर उसके बाद फिर ये breach होता है, सॉरी यहाँ पे कहीं पे मार्केट आता है, देन आई विल अगेन स्विच वन मोर स्ट्राइक टू 250 to 300. दिस इज ऑन द अपसाइड, एंड ऑन द डाउन साइड द प्लान इज वेरी सिंपल. जब तक ये लो ब्रीच नहीं होता है मैं इस ट्रेड को कुछ नहीं करूंगा, और जैसे ये लो ब्रीच होगा तो फिर मैं 400 को 350 पे स्विच कर दूंगा. ओके, नॉट दिस लो एक्चुअली, यहाँ पे कहीं पे मैं स्विच करूंगा. ओके, सो जैसे इसके आसपास पहुंचता है तो फिर मैं वहां पे स्विच करूंगा कॉल को 400 से 350 पे. सो दिस इज अ प्लान ऑफ एक्शन आई एम हैविंग राइट नाउ, और विल ट्राई अगर मार्केट जब तक इस रेंज में, वेट लेट मी मेक अ रेंज फॉर यू, जब तक इस रेंज में, सो आई वोंट बी डूइंग एनी एडजस्टमेंट. ओके, आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट कि यहाँ पे कोई एडजस्टमेंट ना करूँ, और जितना ये प्रीमियम है पूरा कलेक्ट करूँ. एंड इफ टॉकिंग अबाउट वाई डेटा, ह्यूज राइटिंग इज हैपनिंग हियर. इफ यू विल सी बहुत ज़्यादा राइटिंग यहाँ पे हो रहा है, और दैट इज means at 350p, sorry, C, 18400C, 18300p, 18200p, 18250p, everywhere writing is more than 10-12 million contracts, and here on 400 and 350C we are having 22 million contract, 300p we are having 18 million contract. This simply shows that market is trying its level best again to have a sideways expiry, but before that there will be some volatility, there is no doubt about it, and that is what I always afraid of. This I am telling you from the last few expiries. Okay, and that is why few expiries has been very tough, last few one, because the OI data that has been forming, that too in the close options, CTM options, they are not at all fearful. And in that case, whenever anything get breached, like your 350 get breached, then in that case those 22 million writers, they will be in panic. Okay, अगर मैं 350 का आपको वेट एवरेज सेलिंग प्राइस दिखाऊं तो 21 है, which is like where it is, yeah, which is like just 7 points away from you. So this actually makes me feel like, okay, agar market yahan se breach hua to they might get into some panic, and the same goes with the downside. Okay, so I will be careful today, and the way I was the last few days, I will try my level best to collect something today. So yeah, I will give you update on this later on. Okay guys, final update time is 3:39 and I booked everything with 25k profit here and 25k here, all together 51k profit actually. So yeah, 51k for the day. So let me summarize the day. See, I was telling you this and I am telling you this from the last few expiries, that these kind of OI writing that to in so close to options, okay, they will always spark a panic among people. Okay, if any level gets broken, like here, when this low, when market tried in this particular kind of weight, जब इस particular candle पे market ने इस low को test किया, which is 18304, and here there was a huge writing at that point of time. The total number of writing here was to 21 million contract, 22 actually, yeah, almost 22. So, and as and when market breached that, okay, tried once, they tried their level best to get it done on the top, but ये यहाँ तक गया, फिर वापस यहाँ पे close हुआ, then but in the very next candle when it breached this low, there was a panic down move that happened, and in just from this high to low, if I'll mark it, you will see there was a 40 points of move. And why that happened? This is just a panic move, and because of that, if you'll see the spike in the premiums, but let me show you the spikes. See here, this one from a low of almost 4.5, it went up to 41. Okay, and the same goes with all the put side strikes, and at the same time, when this up move, this green candle formed, okay, because this down move only happened because of the panic. Okay, और जब ये green candle form हुआ, I was holding this one, and actually I got hit, otherwise I would have definitely closed 30k plus today. But मैंने क्या किया, मैं पुट कॉल के साइड से प्रीमियम लेता रहा, और यू कैन सी हियर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन आई सॉर्टेड इट फॉर 5 and 5.4, but I had to exit it at 8.9. So you can say on an average of 5 I entered and I had to book it at 9. So there was a 4 point of loss that I have to book, and it only happened because of this particular candle. So this actually hurted more than this complete move, although obviously in this move also I took a MTM SL, okay, and there were lots, there were 2-3 SLs that got hit, just one 2 SLs, sorry. So there were 2 SLs which got hit, but still I just kept on taking the premium on the against side, and that actually favored me till here. And I was looking for 30 plus k closing each account, that is 60 plus k, but in this green candle actually I took the hit, but that's completely fine. You can't take yourself out from these massacre, okay, from these huge IVS spikes, okay. Still I'm happy that the only difference that it made was 6-7k rupees of loss per account, that is 14k, there is nothing more. So still overall I would say this is what is happening from the last few expiries. If you'll see a good movement that is happening around 2, okay, 130 to 3, a big movement is happening either on the upside or on the downside. What is the reason behind it? It's just that premiums become so dust cheap here, people try to book it, and at the same time when any levels are having some threats, then they are in panic and they try to book it. In all these scenarios, there will be a movement in that particular direction, and that's what is happening. So yeah, just be cautious, okay, at least in the second half be cautious if you are trading expiries, okay. This way only you can survive here, otherwise one single day is more than enough to take a big to give a big dent to you, okay. So yeah, that's all from my end, and today was a good day, I would say. I still managed to book more than almost 0.45, sorry, 0.55%, okay, on the capital of 90 lakh altogether. So still I'm happy, and I that's all from my end. I hope all the analysis and adjustment that I do are making sense to you, and if they do, then please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.